How to find gas station and fuel price in Waze. First, open the Waze app and make sure GPS or location is turned on so Waze can show nearby station accurately. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Where to search bar. Under Categories, tap Gas Station or Fuel. Waze will instantly display all the nearby gas station on the map. Each gas station listing shows real-time fuel price if available. Prices are updated by Waze users so you can easily find the cheapest one near you. Tap the station you prefer to see more detail, such as distance, fuel price, and user rating. Then tap View Route, then tap Go Now to start navigation. You can also add a gas station as a stop while already navigating. Just tap Add a stop and tap Gas Station, and Waze will guide you to one along your route, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.